Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can make someone a moderator of your subreddit. Well, it's always a good idea to have someone who can manage your subreddit when you are not around. So to make someone a moderator of your subreddit, go to Mod Tools of your subreddit and then click on Mods and Members. Here under Moderators tab, click on Invite Mod. Then search the person you want to make a mod and select him. Now select whether what sort of access or permissions you want to give him and then click on Invite. As soon as you will click on Invite, an invitation message on Reddit as well as an email will be sent to him. And if you want to see the invites you have sent to people, you sure can see them under Invites tab. And you sure can delete them if you want. And when you go back to your subreddit, here you can see that there is only one mod so far. So when the person will check his emails, here you can see he did receive an invitation email from Reddit. And when he checks his messages on Reddit, here you can see the message he received from Reddit. And when he will click on this link, he will be given the option to join or decline. So just click on yes, join. Then he will be start showing up under Mod's list of this subreddit. And when he goes back to the subreddit, here you can see that he hasn't even joined the community yet, which means that it does allow a person to become a moderator of a subreddit he hasn't even joined. So to join the community, click on this ellipsis icon and click on join to join the community. Now he can do everything he is entitled to do on this subreddit. And when you check your subreddit and refresh the page, here you can see that he's being showing up under the mods section of the subreddit. And this is how you can make someone a moderator of your subreddit. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.